Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah بركاته. Brothers and sisters, this is your brother Muhammad. Ruqyah for all. Allah bless you all. Give you the best in this dunya and akhirah. You can see that's me, alhamdulillah. So I want to show you quickly about the Sidri tree again in a more, mashallah, quality of the video. I noticed that the last video, the quality was not very good. So this time I decided to have a record of it, inshallah. Thank you. Now this is the Sidri. You can see the leaf here. This is how a Sidri tree looks like, the leaves. This is the fruit. You can see it. The fruit of the tree. MashaAllah. Very delicious and nice. You know. Now, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do about the sidri? This is something that many people ask. How do I use the sidri? And what will I do if I have the sidri? How do I use it? Okay, like how do I use the sidri for black magic and all? First of all, you will take 7 leaves of the sidri. You can see this is a big tree of a sidri here. MashaAllah. You know, this is what is being pounded. Like they cannot dry it, and when it's dried, they pound it, make it into a powder, and they sell it or ship it to you. But the reason why I tell people, if you can get the fresh one, that's the best one, inshallah. But if you cannot get the fresh one, you can use the powder. Some say, how do I use the powder? Anyway, we try to estimate like 7 leaves, probably. If that's gonna be like a 2 pinch, inshallah, then we use it, put in the water. So now you have to take like 7 leaves of the sidri. There is a thorn on it. It has some thorns, so you have to be careful when using it. Let's say 1 and Bismillah. 2. Woo. 3. There's a thorn there, you know. This is 3. 3. Okay. 4. 5. 6. It got my hand. Look at it. Oh no, that's it. Sometimes you have to pay a little price. Now this is 7 leaf here. This is 7 leaves of sidri. This is what you need. You can put it like in a 20 liter, 30 liter if you want to shower with it, inshallah, to remove black magic or dark energies from you. This is a blessed tree in the Sidratil Muntaha. You see, it's a blessed tree, mashallah. The lote tree. This is it. The 7th heaven. You have the lote tree. So you take this one. The James don't like it. It's blessed. You can grind it if you have a crusher. Like, you know, some people, they have like, there are certain kind of stones they use to crush. You can put, before, that's what they used to do. Like, you put it in the middle of the stone, use the other one, rub it on it until it becomes like a paste. Okay, this is 7. Probably to paste it into a blender might be difficult. So if you can pound it, like you pound it, that's fine. Yeah, sometimes like you want to do a quickie, you're somewhere, you don't know what to do, like you're like, I don't get a pounder, I don't get a mortar for pounding and blender and grinding, and also you kind of like crush it, use your 2 hands and crush it until it's become like crumbs and all these things, which can be somehow difficult. Use your 2 hands like that. I'm holding a camera with the other one, you kind of crush it and then make it like a crushed into a crumbles, and then you put it in the water. If you grind it, that's fine. You kind of put it in the water, and then you can read the verses in the Quran, like Surah Al-Fatiha 7 times, inshallah, and blow on it. And the Kul Huwa Allah Ahad 3 times, blow on it. Kul A'udhu bi Falaq 3 times, blow on it. Kul A'udhu bin Nas 3 times, blow on it. Ayatul Kursi 7 times or 5 times, 3 times, once in odd numbers, 3 times, inshallah, you blow on it. The last 2 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah, blow on it. If you can only read these things, this is fine, because you have everything mentioned there, inshallah. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ, the black magic, the knot, and وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ, evil eye and envious and everything. Fatiha cure for almost, Allah knows best what Fatiha can do, because the Prophet ﷺ, when the Sahaba, the hadith of Abu Sa'id al-Khudri in al-Bukhari and the Muslim, when he came to the Prophet and he said, the Prophet asked him, what did you read? He said, I read Fatiha. The Prophet said, what makes you know that Fatiha cures? So from there, we know that Fatiha cures. So Fatiha is one of the best surahs you can use for curing, alhamdulillah, and blow on it. If you can use other verses, as mentioned, Surah Taha, Yunus, A'raf, قَوْلُ يَا مُوسَى إِمَّا أَن تُلْقِيَ وَإِمَّا أَن نَكُونَ أَوَّلَ مَنْ أَلْقَى, the ayat of Ruqyah, of black magic. You can read that also. وَقَالَ فِرْعَوْنُ ائْتُونِي بِكُلِّ سَاحِرٍ عَلِيمٍ. You can read on وَأَوْحَيْنَا إِلَى مُوسَى أَنْ أَلْقِ عَصَاكَ. You can read on it, blow on it, shower with it, drink it, shower with it. This is good for people who are complaining they can't sleep at night. Always they're having headache, their body is heavy, they have like kind of the evil eye, black magic attached to the body like a string or cord. You shower with this for so many days, it's gonna break it. How many days should you shower? That's something which I can't tell, but you have to shower until you feel like the symptoms is gone, and then you're okay. Okay, that's what you need to do, inshallah. So you have to shower and drink it, and then apply it on your body, inshallah. There are some questions about pregnant women. Yeah, pregnant women can take some. In fact, this is good. It's gonna clean the baby also, and it remove all sort of dark energies in you, especially jinns that like to stay in the chest. You drink it, it's gone. Those having headache, put some in your hand, wash your head with it. It's gonna remove it, or just take shower and drink too. It's gonna remove the pain and all. Your body is hot all the time. Do it. It's gonna remove it. The shaitan runs in the blood of the human being, like in the body, like the blood circulates. It's gonna try to remove the shaitan. They won't be comfortable. It's gonna burn them when you try to when you try to shower and drink it. Inshallah, it's gonna cleanse your blood also, liver infections and all, hypertension and all, and diabetes and all. It's gonna regulate the blood level also, and the BP, inshallah. But those who you don't have a lot of blood, make sure you use a lot of tonics and vitamins, inshallah, with the prescription of the doctor, and just use some, inshallah, just small. So that's it, inshallah. Whoever doesn't understand can ask in the comment section, and then bismillah azza wa jal. I hope this is very clear now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is your brother. It's your brother Muhammad. Ruqyah for all. May Allah bless you all, give you shifa, give you the best in this dunya and akhirah. We will do our best to explain things, inshallah, so that you understand better. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد ان لا اله الا انت نستغفرك ونتوب اليك.